I'm going to show you how to post a video that you have made or recorded of yourself and put it onto YouTube so that you can put the link or embed it in lots of different places, like on your classroom website. So if you have a video that you've made, so here's a video I made a second ago, I'm going to save it. Usually I would save it onto my Google Drive. For this purpose, I'm going to put it onto my desktop and just call it test video. And then when I click save, there we go, it's saved. Now, let me get rid of this. You can see right here I have this test video that I want to now put onto YouTube as my host. So to do that, I need to go to YouTube. Once I'm on YouTube, see, this is our GRCS channel, GRCS Tech channel. I go up to the little record icon up here, the camcorder, and say upload video. And once I'm in the upload screen, I can click to select the file, or if I have it right here on my desktop, I can just drag it over and drop it anywhere in here. See, now it is uploading it. Make sure you give it a good name up here in the title. I'm just going to leave this one called test video. And scroll down. For most of us, we want to click this one that says, yes, it's made for kids. You can read here what exactly that does, but it's a good setting to put on there. Limits ads and stuff like that. Then click next. This screen, I've never selected anything. I just click next. This is very important on this screen for almost every video you make for school. You're going to want to select the option for unlisted. Unlisted means that the video is on the internet, hosted on the internet. In theory, anyone can see it that has a link to it, but they need to have a link. You can't just search my name and find this video, so it's unlisted. Public, it's searchable. Private, you almost never want to post videos as private because that means that nobody can see it except you. So they have to be logged in as you in order to see that. You can also see over here that my video has finished uploading and processing. It's a 7-second video, so that was really quick. Usually it takes a little longer. But I'm on unlisted, so I'll click save. Now, here you have two options. You can take the link that's right here, or you can take the embed code. The link will usually work for you. So you would just click copy link right there. Now I've copied it. If you want the embed code, just click on embed code and there it is. This allows you right here on these width and heights up here to change how big the video is. I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to use the link. So I copied the link. Now I'm going to go to my website to post it. So I'll log in on my website. There we go. And now I will go to my teacher resources page here. And on this page, I will edit. And all I need to do to post it, if I click right here, is paste that video, that link, sorry, Command V, and it automatically changes into the video. Alternatively, if you do want to, for some reason, you can go to the Add Media section and insert from URL right here, and you can paste it here. See, this is where you'd put in the embed code if you were using that. I'm not, but that's where you would. Insert into page. And then you update your page. That's it. It's simple. You could send that video link directly to people, parents in this case, if you wanted to. I will show you real quick how to do the embed because I want to show you just how to make it smaller. So if I go to insert embed code instead, it gives me a box here, and I can go back to this YouTube published video window and go to the embed. I'm just going to copy the whole thing. Copied, go back over here and paste it. And now here as long as you keep the width and height proportional, it should be pretty easy. So if I'm going to cut them both in half, so instead of, so I'll do 280, and I'll do, and I'll do 160-ish, let's go with that, 162, right? And insert, and see now, you can see it's much smaller. Whatever floats your boat. This one's easier, but this one's a little more tailorable. And when you publish your page and then go view it, so I'll view my page, there's my 2 different videos. And they should both play right here. If I click play, they'll play right here. And that's how you upload a video onto YouTube to host it and then post it onto your own website.